All right, fam. Last week we introduced y'all or reintroduced y'all to the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill. By the way, welcome to another episode of This and That. With me and Lady Red and Fitzgerald out camping this week. If you've been around the channel, you probably already seen or you will see the camping video. All right, family. The George Foreman grill is a little dirty because we've already used it. And it will be dirty all weekend because we will be using it all weekend. All right, fam. The setup for the outdoor portion is really simple. You got your stand, boom. And you got 4 feet. You simply take this, insert this stand, and I just lost the drip pan and I got oil everywhere. That's neither here nor there. All right, if y'all can see that, you simply clamp that in. Boom. And that secures it to the legs. Now, you take these feet, put them in each one of these serrations. Boom. 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 Alright, fam. And that literally took 1 minute at best, minus the cleanup here in aisle 3. Alright, fella, there you have it. That is how we set up the outdoor portion of the George Foreman grill. And the reason we're doing that is we got one plug here under the awning, and that's where the one plug is over here. Alright, family, and there you have it. Let's go ahead and put the top on to make it look official. All right, YouTube fam, there it is. The George Foreman grill in its outdoor setup. You're gonna just simply plug it in. Lady Red's in there right now preparing some pork chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some paper towel and a little cleaning solution to clean this mess up I made. Y'all stay tuned.
Let me see my phone or something else plug in there, but it won't work.
Turn it.
If I got electricity, don't work on that.
You tried the top one? Is there a top one?
This one is the on-off button. But you know how they have these
Is
things
there
right
a,
here, these things that you got to push in
Is
to
there a
make things
switch?
start?
Well, just plug up to the RV then.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, fam, like there been a change in plan. Look like our station ain't working.
Something else to see if it plugs in and works.
All right. Look at it, I got it working, y'all. Yep.
I think there's a red and a black.
Is there a breaker or something? Yeah, I saw that, but that shouldn't be tripped. This don't work anyway, cause we have lights.
We had lights last night.
We ain't turn no lights on. There was a light on right, yeah, it wasn't right here. I know, right? Huh? Oh, you dropped the leg, baby.
You gonna put that part on video?
Yeah, lift it up. Just that simple.
Okay.
I don't know if they lock in or not. We gotta double check that. You know what? I didn't check the water. Hmm? You in business?
Yes, I am.
Booyah. Problem solved.
I'm sorry. Now let's see if the water's working.
I know, right?
Oh,
What's wrong? What you don't have?
I got to get rid of the mosquito stuff. Be
Really?
careful. Is it working? Yay!
We have water.
And we got spider web. We got spider web.
What did you pour chop?
It's a pork chop is what? Why you didn't want to make a video of what the mess we made?
Oh, I was still recording.
Oh, don't be recording.
Oh, trust me, you just made a, yeah, that's going to go viral because you just made a huge mess. People see you know how to cook indoor, outdoor.
Thank you for that, husband. I appreciate your confidence.
I'm here for you. George Foreman is going to save you, though. George Foreman going to either save you or knock you out.
You see how he do me, y'all? That's why I'll never do nothing for him. All he do is complain.
It's a good excuse.
It's going to work, too, because you're always complaining. This side is cooking and this side is not.
We got a hot spot.
Looks like it. That's my man.
Fitzy, what you doing, buddy? Tell everybody hi.
Being excellent.
Whatever, being a mutt.
Being excellent.
Tell everybody hi, buddy.
You talking about
I'm
my
not
baby's
scratching it.
surgery?
I know,
My baby
right?
had to have surgery.
They had to have surgery on his ears because his ears are infected. One of them is just the right ear.
Just the right ear. Now, where they do that at? Just one ear gets infected.
The right ear was wrong.
Exactly. I'm gonna lock so you don't be seeing what I'm doing. I told you to
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you.
block it.
Whatever. Block, all right.
Block so you don't see what I'm doing. My secret, my trade secret.
Yeah, ancient Chinese secret.
That's right. What is the purpose of that? You're such a goofball.
Put it on me right there.
Let's grow up.
We ain't gonna do none of that. 60 years old, I ain't about to grow
Oh,
up.
so he's killing a squirrel. He's got a squirrel in that green bucket. Walking down the hill, he's got a squirrel in there. You see the squirrel tail?
Sure is.
Do you think they got all dressed up to go shoot some squirrels?
I love it.
And why is he putting the squirrels in the water? He threw it in
That was
the
just the
water.
guts. That was just, you gotta skin it.
That's disgusting.
No, it ain't. That was cool. That was cool. She ain't never seen nobody. She's a Yankee,
So
y'all.
disgusting.
She from the north. She don't know nothing about killing
He
squirrels.
walked down there and threw them squirrels in the water.
Squirrel.
That was crazy.
All right, fam.
I forgot to get the light.
I think we're gonna go ahead and bring this to a portion of the video to an end. But this is the George Foreman in its outdoor stand status. We did get a little bit of drippage, but I think that was from the steam. So we don't want to create ants here on our platform. So later we'll put down a towel. But there you have it, fam. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a close. And we will catch y'all in the next video. All right, tell your family bye.
Bye, y'all.
Peace. Peace. Tell your family peace. Yeah, that's peace out, y'all. All right. Whoa. Is it crispy? Everybody know. Everybody steak for camping.